Welcome again to all of you. Now we'll discuss on the chapter 15, which is part 1 on probability. The word probability or chance is a very frequently used word in our day-to-day conversation. Like, possibly it may rain today. It's possible that it may rain today. This means it's not sure whether it will rain or not, but there is a possibility that it will rain. Second example, you are likely to win this election. You are likely to win this election. There is something which we do not know exactly whether it will happen or not. Any event which we are not sure whether it will happen or not is a probable. These are the term which we are used for any event which is we cannot say that whether it will happen or not. The term possible, likely, maybe, all these terms they are used for even which is not certain to take place, whether they are going to take place or whether they are not going to take place. We are not sure about that even. Therefore, there is a word here in mathematics also which we use as the probability. Okay, what is event? Event, the possible outcome of a trial are called event or cases. What is event? The possible outcome of a trial are called event. What are the possible outcome of a trial? Those are called event. Random experiment, an experiment whose outcome can be predicted in advance, is called a random experiment. Any experiment which the outcome cannot be predicted, we cannot predict the outcome, whether the outcome will be there or not. That experiment is called as a random experiment. Okay, the activity of throwing a dice is called a random experiment. You cannot predict in advance the outcome of this experiment. You cannot predict the outcome in advance in throwing of a dice. Dice, what is a dice? Dice is a cube in which all the faces are marking with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 faces. On all the 6 faces marking has been done, and if we throw the dice, the activity of throwing a dice is called the random experiment. Okay, now remember, the probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. If we are asked to find the probability of any event, remember that the probability should not be more than 1 and should not be less than 0, but it should lies between 0 and 1. Okay, you cannot say that the probability of this event is 2 or 3 or 4, 5. You cannot say it should be below of 1. It can be 1, but it cannot be more than 1. Okay, now a dice. What is a dice? A dice is a solitude having its faces mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, or they may mark as dot, 2 dot which is 2, 3 dot which is 3, 4 dot which is 4, 5 dot with is 5 and 6 dot may be written in this way, which mark as number 6. Okay, this is the dice. And what is a deck of cards? Most of the time we will be doing problem on a dice on a card. And what is a card? Playing card. A playing card will have how many total? Total will be 52 cards. And all in these 52 cards will have 4 different cards, each of them consisting of 13 cards. Black, there are 2 blacks and 2 red cards. 2 black cards and 2 red cards. Black, they are spade and club, while red, they are heart and diamond. In each of them, they will have, the first card will be A, second 2, 3, third card 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 11th card will be J, the 12th card will be Q, and the 13th card will be K, king. J, jack, Q, queen, K, king. In all these 4 different cards, 4 kind of cards, they will have all these 13 cards. This spade will have 13 cards, heart will have 13 cards, diamond will have 13 cards, club will have 13 cards. I mean, total of all the cards will have 13 plus 13, 26, 26 plus 13 plus 13 will be, total will be 52 cards. This means if you ask how many jack will be there, there will be 4, each of spade, each one of spade, one of heart, one of diamond, one of club. Each card will be having same thing, but 4 different type. A will have 4, 2 will have 4, 3 will have 4, 4 will have 4, 5 will have 4, all will have the same 4, but the difference is only in the sign, with the symbol, the color of the card. Color, 2 of them will be red color, 2 of them will be black colored. Okay, I think you have seen your playing card. Many of time there are some people who are interested in playing cards. Maybe you have seen those cards, but if you have not seen, you remember that a deck of cards will consist of 52 cards, and of how many symbols? 4 symbols will be there: spade, heart, diamond, and club. Each symbol will have 13 cards consisting from 1 up to king. Okay, now we'll continue with the exercise 15a with the first from there. If the probability of any event is 0.5, what is the probability of the event which is not E? We know that I've discussed right from the beginning that the probability of event should lies between 0 and 1. The probability of event is 0.5, therefore the probability of not E will be from 1 minus 0.05. Here I've shown you the how to subtract. The probability of not E will be 0.95. Okay, probability of that it will rain today is 0.87. What is the probability that it will not rain today? If it rain is 0.87, probability of not raining today, from 1 you subtract 0.87, that will be the probability that it will not rain today. Okay, probability of it will be raining today is 0.87. Probability that it will not rain today, 1 minus 0.87, it is 0.13. Okay, next we go to number 2. Is the following argument correct or not correct? Give reason for your answer. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are the 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, 1 of each. That means 1 head, 1 tail. Okay, therefore for each of these outcomes the probability is 1 by 3. Here it says that there are 3 outcomes, and the probability of each of outcome is 1 by 3. Now, if solution for this, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, the outcome are, in the first toss you will get both of these coins are head. Second toss, maybe you will get 2 of this coin are tail. The third toss you will get 1 coin is head, the other is tail, and the fourth outcome may be considered as if one is tail, the another will be head. This means each outcome will have total outcome is how much? Total outcome is 4. Therefore, each of the outcome has the probability of 1 by 4, not 1 by 3. Hence, the argument is not correct as the outcome are not equally likely. Last time, in the beginning, I've discussed what is not likely. That means we cannot exactly tell what should be the what will be the outcome. We are not sure of the outcome. We are not sure of the outcome. What will be the outcome? Here it says the outcome will be head, tail. Each of them will be head, tail. We don't know whether it will be head, tail or tail, head. One will be head, the second coin will be tail. But it can be one of the first coin will be tail, the second coin will be head. This means we are not sure of the probability of getting head or tail. Okay, the next is on number 3. The question you can refer from the text. The question number 3 from the text. One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a black card. Okay. As we have discussed earlier, a deck of cards will have how many cards? Total cards will have 52. How many of them are black card? Black card, it is spade and what card it is? Spade and club. Okay, spade and club. Spade have 13 cards, club has 13 cards, total 26 cards. Therefore, here the black card are the total number of black cards in a shuffle of deck. They are 13 of spade, 13 of club, that is 26. Therefore, probability of getting a black, that means you are getting possible outcome. How many possible outcome? You have 26 outcome, 26 black, and total outcome is how much? 52. 26 by 52, if you cancel 26 1, 26, 26 2, 52, that is 0.5 is the probability that you are getting a black card. Of getting a spade, how many cards are there in with the symbol spade? There are only 13 of them. Therefore, probability of getting a spade is number of possible outcome, which is 13, by total outcome, which is total of card, which is 52. 13 by 52, you cancel 1, 13, 1, 13, 13, 4, 52, which is 1 by 4. Okay. The same thing with a heart also. How many heart are there? 13. How many diamond are there? 13. How many club are there? 13. Therefore, it will be the same only. Heart is 13, 13 by 52, 1 by 4. Ace of heart. Now, if you ask for ace of heart, how many ace of heart are there? There are only one card, because ace of heart, ace of club, ace of spade, ace of diamond. There are 4 cards which is having an ace, that is 1. There is one ace of heart, but the total outcome is how many? 52. 1 by 52 is the answer. Okay. Now number 3 from 5 up to number 8, you try to do it by yourself. Okay. I've shown you here how to do it, how to proceed ahead with this. You try to do it by yourself.